Hey guys, I'm getting ready to post this announcement, but I wanted to send you a quick video explaining what it was first. This is an opportunity for even more extra credit on your midterm exam. So hopefully you've been studying really hard for the last week or so, that you've been working in my math lab and doing that practice midterm exam as many times as you need to in order to feel comfortable. Remember, if you do that practice exam at least twice with at least 80% both times, you'll earn extra credit toward your midterm exam. Well, this is an opportunity for even more extra credit on your midterm. I'm going to ask that you take about 15 to 20 minutes to complete this course level assessment, the CLA quiz. Now, it's not really a quiz, it's just a way for our campus to collect data, but it is important that you do well. There are 8 questions covering the material that we've learned so far this semester. And for any question that you get correct, I'm going to give you extra credit, even more extra credit toward your midterm exam. So it's not going to hurt your grade, it will only help your grade. So please do as well as you can to get even more credit toward your midterm. Please make sure that you take this course level assessment quiz by your midterm due date, which is October 31st. Okay, here are the directions in order to take the CLA quiz. You're going to go down here to the CLA quiz link. It's going to ask you for our 4-digit passcode. Our passcode is 3616. It's going to ask you for your class section number. So that's either 33653 or 33627. You should be able to look up at the top of your canvas to figure out which section you're in order to put in the correct section number. Next, make sure that you put your first and your last name. This is how I'm going to find you and your grade on the CLA in order to give you the extra credit. Make sure that you read the directions, answer all 8 questions, and then push submit. Remember, the better you do, the more credit, extra credit, you'll get on your midterm. So please take your time, make sure that you answer all questions. Let me know if you need anything, and good luck on your CLA and your midterm exam.